Do you want to know what happens when you leave chocolate cake in the hot Miami weather in the trunk for a week and a half? Stay tuned because you're going to be in for a big surprise. So this is chocolate cake that I left in my hot car on purpose in the trunk in the Miami weather, hot weather, to see what happens after a week and a half. And once you see me open it, you're going to be for a big surprise. Ta-da! And it's covered in mold. Now if you look very closely, again, piece of chocolate cake, but you see these little white spots right here? That's mold. And we all know it also has bacteria also all over. So of course, this is not to be consumed, but I just wanted to show y'all what happens if you leave chocolate cake in a hot Miami weather for a week and a half. But you might be asking, what exactly is going on there? So let's take a look deep down into the chocolate cake. Look right here, see that white spot right there? There's like at least half a dozen of these, probably more, but these are mold. You have some bacteria that is not healthy for us at all. Let's take a look under the microscope and see what we see. All right, so we're gonna take a look under the microscope and see exactly what we see. What can you find when you leave cake in the hot car in the trunk in the Miami weather? Okay, so bacteria, of course, mold, and this type of stuff can definitely be harmful to us. You don't ever want to eat anything that's been left outside, obviously in the hot sun, in the trunk of your car, or anything like that. Pasta can also be very dangerous if left outside of the fridge for a certain amount of days or even hours. You have to be very careful, okay? I know some of y'all love leftovers, and I know times are hard with the prices of groceries and stuff, but when stuff has been left out like chocolate cake, pasta, food in general, it can go bad pretty quickly, and you can find all type of little critters in there that could be bad, that could be very harmful to us. Very, very harmful to us. As an acupuncture physician, I gotta point this out and let everybody know that you gotta be careful what you put inside your body. Our body does a wonderful job of fighting bacteria and viruses and stuff, but sometimes there's a certain bacteria, a certain virus, or certain mold that our body have a hard time with. But if you could avoid putting these type of pathogens inside your body, that goes a long way. That goes a long way. So that's all I wanted to show y'all. This is what happens when you leave a cake outside in the Miami weather in a trunk for a week and a half. It's going to get covered with mold, covered with bad bacteria that could be harmful to us potentially. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave it below, and please don't forget to subscribe to get more information.